Welcome to Saas Beast Pro. In today's video, we're uncovering the 7 Google Drive settings on PC you're using wrong. Small tweaks that can make a huge difference in how efficiently you use Drive on desktop. We'll break them down one by one so you can maximize storage, speed, and performance. Now let's get started. Number 1. Stream files instead of mirroring. Many users unknowingly waste local storage by mirroring all their Drive files instead of streaming them directly from the cloud. This setting is crucial because it helps you save valuable hard drive space and keeps your system running faster. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. First, open Google Drive for desktop by clicking the Drive icon in your system tray if you're on Windows. This gives you quick access to your Drive preferences. Step 2. Next, click the Settings gear icon and choose Preferences from the drop-down menu. This is where all your main Drive sync and storage options live. Step 3. In the Preferences window, select Google Drive from the left-hand sidebar. This section controls how your files are stored and accessed on your computer. Step 4. Under My Drive syncing options, switch to Stream files instead of Mirror files. Streaming keeps your files in the cloud and downloads them only when you open them, saving huge amounts of space. Step 5. Click Save or Done to confirm your settings. This applies your new syncing method immediately. Number 2. Clear saved credentials for security. Keeping your Google Drive credentials saved on shared or public computers can put your files and personal data at risk. Clearing saved credentials ensures your account stays secure and private. It's a simple but crucial safety step for anyone using Drive on PC. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the Google Drive icon in your computer system tray if you're on Windows, or in the menu bar if you're using macOS. This opens your Drive settings panel. Step 2. Click the Settings gear icon and select Preferences to access your account and system configurations. Step 3. Click the Settings gear icon again and choose Disconnect Account to begin removing your saved credentials from this computer. Step 4. Confirm your choice when prompted, and your Google Drive account will be safely signed out and removed from that PC. Number 3. Disable Auto Start on System Boot. This setting is important because it stops Google Drive from launching automatically when your computer starts up, which speeds up your boot time and saves system resources. It also gives you full control over when Drive runs in the background. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the Google Drive icon from your computer's menu bar or taskbar. This opens the Drive control panel where you can access all your settings. Step 2. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, then click on Preferences. This will open the main window where all your Drive configurations are stored. Step 3. Inside the Preferences window, click the small gear or settings icon in the top right corner to access Advanced Settings. Step 4. Scroll down the list of options until you find Launch Google Drive when you log into your computer. This is the auto start feature that triggers Drive to open every time your system boots. Step 5. Uncheck the box next to that option. Once disabled, Google Drive will no longer start automatically. You'll launch it only when you actually need it, keeping your computer clean, quick, and efficient. Number 4. Set up offline access correctly. Losing internet connection shouldn't stop your workflow. Setting up offline access ensures your Google Drive files are always available, even without Wi-Fi. It's a crucial step to stay productive anywhere, anytime. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the 3 dots in your browser, go to Extensions, select Manage Extensions, and ensure the Google Docs offline extension is switched on. Step 2. Click the gear icon at the top right, choose Settings, then scroll down to find the Offline section. Step 3. Enable the option that says Create, Open, and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. This saves copies of your files locally. Step 4. Once activated, Google Drive will begin downloading your existing files and automatically sync new ones you create or open. Step 5. Look for the small cloud icon next to the file name. If it shows a check mark, that file is ready for offline use. Number 5. Change sync direction to mirror files. Mirroring files ensures every single item in your Google Drive is fully available on your PC, giving you seamless offline access and a reliable backup. This setting keeps your files completely safe, fully synced, and perfectly consistent across all devices, so you never have to worry about missing or outdated files again. Alright, let's get started and walk through the steps. Step 1. Open Drive for Desktop on your computer, then click the Settings cog in the top right corner and select Preferences to access all the available syncing options. Step 2. From the left-hand menu, click on Folders from Drive to see a detailed view of your My Drive syncing settings and options. Step 3. Under My Drive syncing options, select Mirror Files to make sure every single file in your Google Drive is stored locally on your computer, giving you complete offline access. Step 4. Choose a local folder where you want your mirrored files to be saved by clicking Change, or simply confirm the current folder if it's already suitable for your needs. Step 5. Click Save and confirm any prompts to restart the Drive application, which will then begin syncing and downloading all your files efficiently to the folder you've selected. Number 6. Adjust bandwidth. Upload-download limits. Setting proper bandwidth limits ensures your Google Drive uploads and downloads run at maximum speed, preventing slow syncing and wasted time. This optimization keeps your files moving efficiently and improves overall workflow. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Locate the Google Drive icon in your taskbar or notification area. This is your gateway to all Drive settings, so make sure you spot the correct icon. Step 2. Click the gear icon or the three-dotted menu, then select Settings. This opens the main configuration panel where all important options are neatly organized. Step 3. Select Preferences to access a more detailed menu. Here you can tweak syncing behavior and other advanced settings for optimal performance. Step 4. Navigate to the Advanced section within Preferences. This area contains specialized options, including bandwidth controls that directly impact upload and download speed. Step 5. Find the bandwidth settings and choose Download Rate and Upload Rate for both download and upload rates. You have to enter the value you want. This ensures your files sync at the fastest possible speed, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Step 6. Close the settings window and let Google Drive adjust. Your changes take effect immediately, so you can start enjoying faster syncing right away. Number 7. Choose specific folders to sync. Selecting only the folders you actually need keeps your Google Drive organized, saves storage space, and speeds up syncing. This gives you complete control over what files stay updated across all your devices, avoiding clutter and unnecessary backups. Alright, let's do it. Step 1. Open the Google Drive for Desktop application on your computer to access all the available syncing features and options. This is where you can manage which files and folders are backed up and updated automatically. Step 2. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and select Preferences to open the full Syncing Settings menu. This menu gives you control over every syncing option for your device. Step 3. In the left menu, select My Computer or Folders from your computer to see a list of all available folders on your device that can be synced. This is where you decide which folders are important enough to keep updated. Step 4. Click Add Folder, then browse through your files and select the exact folders you want to sync with Google Drive. Make sure to choose only the folders you regularly use to avoid unnecessary syncing. Step 5. When prompted, choose the Sync with Google Drive option to ensure these selected folders are continuously updated across all your devices. This keeps your files current and accessible anytime. Step 6. Click Done, then Save to finalize your selections and make sure the syncing process starts immediately without any delays. Double-check to confirm everything is set up correctly. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks.